In this short video, I am going to talk about the difference between research methods and research methodology. Over the years, I have learned that many students use these two terms, research methodology and research methods, interchangeably. In fact, both these concepts are different. First of all, I would like to talk about the method. Then I'll move to research method and then research methodology. Method. What does the word method mean? In fact, it is a stepwise procedure of doing something, to make something. For example, if you want to make pizza, you will have to follow a stepwise procedure. जब आप पिज़्ज़ा बनाते हैं तो सबसे पहले जो उसका डो बनाएंगे, you have to keep it for some time so that the dough rises. अगर आपने 3-4 घंटे का जो वो टाइम है जिसमें कि उसको डो को राइज करना है, if you do not leave dough for that particular time period, you will not be able to get good pizza, to make good pizza. So जो प्रोसीजर है आपने वो स्टेप वाइज फॉलो करना है. इसी तरीके से when an artist paints something, the artist follows a certain procedure, stepwise procedure to get something done. A tailor also follows a certain procedure to stitch clothes. Similarly, a carpenter follows a certain procedure, steps to make something. Method means doing something by following a certain procedure. You cannot make changes in the procedure usually. अगर आपने उसको changes की, if you are going to do step 3 first and then you are going to do step 1, you will not be able to get things, you will not be able to make things the way something has been recommended. So research method is also same thing. You follow a certain procedure to get something done. You cannot make changes. For example, if you are going to collect data, you cannot collect data before identifying your sample. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप डेटा पहले कलेक्ट कर लें और बाद में सोचें कि अच्छा मुझे तो ये डेटा 1000 लोगों से चाहिए था, लेकिन अब तो मैं नहीं कर सकती या कर सकता क्योंकि मैंने तो डेटा ऑलरेडी कलेक्ट कर लिया है. You cannot go for data collection without finalizing your tools, without finalizing your instruments. So research method is also following step-by-step procedure to get answer of your research question. So what is the difference between research method and research methodology? Research method is about following a procedure, and research methodology is science of that method, science of the procedure, or we may say it is procedural framework. अगर आप पिज़्ज़ा बना रहे हैं और आपने स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस फॉलो कर लिए, लेकिन आपको ये नहीं पता कि why are you leaving the dough for 3 hours, it means you are working at a technical level, at a mechanical level. इसी तरीके से अगर कोई डायर है, वो डाई कर रहा है कपड़े और वो सर्टेन प्रोसीजर फॉलो कर रहा है, इसका मतलब है कि द पर्सन इज़ अ टेक्नीशियन, जिसको ये पता है कि मुझे ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करूँगा तो मैं कपड़े को डाई कर सकता हूँ. इसी तरीके से कारपेंटर है, अगर वो स्टेप वाइज डायरेक्शन उसको पता है, क्या है प्रोसीजर है, वो फॉलो कर रहा है, सो इसका मतलब है द पर्सन इज़ अ टेक्नीशियन, अ वेरी गुड टेक्नीशियन. लेकिन अगर आपको रीजंस पता है कि व्हाई आर यू फॉलोइंग अ सर्टेन प्रोसीजर, दैट मीन्स दैट you know the theory. So methodology is about knowing the theory. So research methodology is about knowing the reasons for following a certain method. रिसर्चर को ये पता है कि उसने ये स्टेप क्यों वो स्टेप पर्टिकुलर स्टेप ले रहा है, वो ये वाला प्रोसीजर क्यों फॉलो कर रहा है. सो इन सिंपल टर्म्स, research methodology refers to procedural framework or the principles and procedures or logical thought So it is about research methodology refers to the procedural framework. Or in other words, it can be defined as the principles and procedures of logical thought processes which are applied to a scientific investigation. So logical thought processes are always involved in research, in deciding and in carrying out, in implementing research methodology. So research methodology में एक और important aspect है, that is researchers' own assumptions. Research methodology is rooted in your epistemological and ontological beliefs, or we may say that your paradigm actually determines your choice of methodology.